So, as always, look for half the chicken. And then you cut it. Half. Let's do that for now. Let's just do all the halves. This one's stuck together. Cut it at the seam. If you could find the right amount, just to make them equal in weight, basically, then you're good to go. So you see, this is where we cut it in half. You see how it's really thick right there? So we find the center. There's the center. There's the center. And then you just start to cut the center. This one, you cut. You find the flat surface. You find the half. And this one's going to be a little different because the half is kind of in a wavy line here. And then you cut it. I guess you could technically cut it all the way if you wanted to, but I like it to look like it's like this, like it's one chicken breast. You want it to be less than 1 inch. That's the main philosophy here. Make sure it's all less than 1 inch in thickness. 1 inch is the max it can be. Anything less is fine. Now we marinate it with this garlic or rosemary rub from Lawry's. I recommend it. It is delicioso. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, this one gonna need some more. This one gonna need some more. A lot on one side, a little on the other side. No, that's pretty good already. It's good. Alright, so let's taste the chicken. I should show you the inside. But anyway, this is it. This is the chicken. I think it's cooked and it tastes delicious. So there's that.